Okay, so in this question, we're going to try to figure out whether this is a function or not. So to give you a better idea, so we can do this. So we can look at, okay, so since x is a real number, so I'm just going to create a small table here to determine x and y component of each point. So since x is a real number, so x can be anything, right? So I can maybe like just try this, let's say -2 for x, but then the y component is going to be the square of that. So y equals x squared, which is -2 squared, and that is 4. If I choose x -1, then it's going to be -1 squared, so that's 1. If I choose 0, so 0 squared is 0. If I choose 1, 1 squared is going to be 1. If I choose 2, so then 2 squared will equal to 4. So now I construct some points, right? So -2, 4 is the first one, and -1, 1, 0, 0, and 1, 1, and 2, 4, right? So if I just plot them here, I plot them here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So -2 is corresponding to 4. -1 is corresponding to 1. 0 is 0. 1 is 1. 2 is 4. So sort of I have it like a partial graph, right? From this point, if I connect them so I get this curvy shape, which if I do more points, then this is just going to keep going up. This is just going to keep parabolic shape. So we call this y equal x. This is a graph of y equal x squared. And notice x can be anything, right? So when I write the domain of this function, x is just any real number. So therefore, the domain is just going to be any real number, which is negative infinity, positive infinity. The range is the collection of y values. And you see all my y values are positive because I'm squaring, right? I'm squaring to get my y values. So therefore, all the y values are positive. The smallest one is 0. So therefore, I start from 0 and I go all the way to infinity. So yes, it is a function. Yes, it is a function. And this is the domain, and this is the range.